Welcome back to Maths online class. Here we are discussing the class 10th and we have started our next chapter, that is the trigonometric identities. In my last lecture I have told you so many basic formulas, so many basic identities that will be used in the previous practice exercises. And what are these formulas? I hope so you have learned it well, and that's here while solving the problems we are going to adopt these all the identities according to the situation. So one by one we need not to waste our time and directly we are coming to our topic, and that is I have written here 4 questions. There are so many sample questions that is given in your book, and I have taken some selected questions in front of you, and right now we will try to solve these particular questions. What kind of the question generally asked from this particular topic? It is none other than the proof question. Okay, some trigonometric identities will be given to you. You have to prove that left hand side it is equal to the right hand side. Same thing that we have done in the earlier chapter, that was the trigonometric ratios. Right now see what we have to do, how to start. So again and again I am not going to write down the question. Okay, directly you will understand. First question is that prove that 1 plus tan square theta inside the bracket again 1 plus sin theta 1 plus minus sin theta should be equal to 1. So I have to solve only left hand side, that I have written here because I am going to solve left hand side. See here, very basic formula we have to see. After writing the question, how to start? We are knowing that we have one formula, 1 plus tan square theta. We are knowing that what is the 1 plus tan square theta, so that we have to write down with the formula. So what is the formula? Identities. Here you can write down identity. In one or two question I will write down these formulas also. After that directly we will solve. So we are knowing that 1 plus tan square theta, actually it is equal to sec square theta. Okay, and here you can say a plus b, a minus b. Okay, that I will do in the next term, no problem. So it is sec square theta. In place of 1 plus tan square theta, what I can write down? I can write down sec square theta according to the identity. Right now see this 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. It could be written 1 square minus sin square theta. इसको मैं directly I can write down 1 square minus sin square theta. How can I write down? Because a plus b, a minus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. That is our basic identity. Okay, algebraic identities. A plus b, a minus b, it is equal to the a square minus b square. Same like that, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, it will give me 1 square minus sin square theta. Next I am going to solve next sec square theta. Same. And after that this 1 square, it is nothing, it is 1 minus sin square theta, because 1 square it is equal to 1. Right now see the next identity. Next time I am going for the identity. In my last lecture whatever I have discussed, if you have not seen my last lecture, so you should go for it first before coming to the practice exercises. This is our lecture number 4. Before coming to the practice exercises, I have actually told you what the things you have to do. Okay, so see here, what is the identity? 1 minus sin square theta, actually it is nothing, it is a cos square theta. It is nothing, it is a cos square theta. अपने को मालूम है वो पहली वाली आइडेंटिटी से अपन ने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. ठीक है, sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. इसको इधर ले आएंगे तो sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. लेकिन अपने को cos स्क्वायर थीटा चाहिए, so 1 minus sin स्क्वायर थीटा. In my last lecture I have discussed all the different forms of the basic identities. You should go for it. Okay, right now see nothing, that I am going to write down here sec square theta into 1 minus sin square theta. This 1 minus sin square theta, it could be written as cos square theta. Slowly we are moving, no problem. After that we are knowing that what is the relation in between sec and cos. Actually they both are reciprocal of each other. They both are opposite to each other. So anything I can write down. For example, sec square theta, it could be written 1 upon cos square theta. No problem. And after that you can see numerator and denominator cos square theta, it is going to appear. So that I can cancel from the numerator and denominator side, and finally I will get 1. And that one, it is equal to the right hand side. You can see right hand side I have to prove 1. So in this way I can write down hence proved. Once again see what was the structure, nothing else. According to the question, 1 plus tan square theta, directly I am knowing that it is a sec square theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, it is showing me. Actually the question itself tells to you what you have to do. क्वेश्चन में ही सम हिंट्स विल बी ऑलवेज हिडन. आपको पता चल जाता है कि इन विच पर्टिकुलर पाथ, इन विच पर्टिकुलर वे यू हैव टू मूव ऑन. सो हियर आई एम गेटिंग a square minus b square, so 1 square minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta, it will be represented cos square theta. और आपस में ही ये दोनों अपने को कट करके 1 दे देंगे. That is the answer only. Right now see, going for the second question. Okay, moving towards the second question. Actually there are so many questions, so we have to be little faster. No problem. Second question, solution for second question. Left hand side again we are going to take. What is the written in the left hand side? Cos square theta. First I am going to write down cos square theta plus cos square theta and cot square theta. By looking this, what is coming in your mind? By looking the question, what you can do? So first what you can do, cos square theta you can take common, because cos square theta is present here also, cos square theta is present in the next term also. These are known as the terms. Before the plus sign it is known as first term, after the plus sign it is known as the second term. So in both the terms cos square theta it is going to be common term, so that is going to common here. So what is remained inside the bracket? 1 plus cot square theta. See how यहाँ से cos square theta common लिया, nothing is there, so 1 remained. 1 will be there, plus cos square theta I am taking common, so what is the remained here? Cot square theta, that will I have to write down here. Right now see, come to the identities part. According to the identity, we are knowing that 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta, it is equal to the cosec square theta. Same thing I have explained you in my previous lecture, so I am putting that. So cos square theta into cosec square theta. Right now what I can do, see again what I have to prove, cot square theta. अच्छा cot होता क्या है? cot square theta मतलब cot theta एक्चुअल में होता क्या है? cos upon sin, cos upon sin. तो ये क्या इस रूप में रिप्रेजेंट हो सकता है? यस, व्हाई नॉट. cos स्क्वायर थीटा को cos रहने देते हैं, cosec स्क्वायर थीटा sin के रूप में लेना पड़ेगा, so 1 upon sin स्क्वायर थीटा, no problem. From here you can say this is nothing, this is the cos theta upon sin theta whole soul square. दोनों के स्क्वायर को होल सोल पे ले गए, no problem. Right now this you can take, this is what? Cos theta upon sin theta, actually it is a cot theta whole square, and that cot theta whole square it could be written as cot square theta, and actually this is equal to the right hand side, and that has proved. That only I have to prove here, nothing else. यहाँ से तो आपको समझ में आ गई होगी कहानी, nothing else, cos upon sin, and after that we have adjusted all the things. Here we have to use the common sense कि common पहले लिया, after that the things are going to be clear. 1 plus cot square theta, that I can write down cosec square theta. Right now coming to the next question. Look here, little faster we are, no problem, because we have to cover. I actually want to solve so many questions for you, that's why. And there is a problem for the videos should not be very much lengthy also, that's why we are going little faster, but no need to worry because I am explaining you each and everything. Third question, see here, and that third question, it is a very important question, because such kind of the questions, root to square question, this is generally asked in the exam. So see here, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Children, look here, whenever such kind of the question it will be asked to you, whenever such kind of the question it will be asked to you, wherever you are looking the prime factorization, means sorry, wherever you are looking the square root, any kind of the square root के अंदर what is there inside the square root, it is not the matter at all. What is there inside the square root, it is not the matter at all. Either it will be 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sec theta, 1 plus cot theta, whatever the trigonometric ratios will be given to you. Only always you have to follow rationalize the denominator. So we have to do the same thing, rationalize the denominator. Look here carefully. एक बार इस क्वेश्चन को समझने के बाद you will feel that how much easy it was. Rationalize the denominator means what? 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta, ये तो क्वेश्चन था सेम. Rationalize का मतलब ये होता है कि what is present in the denominator, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is there in the denominator, इसके अपोजिट का इंटू करना है, both with the numerator, both with the denominator. With the numerator and denominator, मेरे को अगर 1 plus sin theta denominator में है, तो मुझे इसके अपोजिट का इंटू करना है, मीन्स 1 माइनस साइन थीटा, 1 माइनस साइन थीटा, और जिस भी चीज का इंटू करूंगा वो भी स्क्वायर रूट में ही होने वाला है. वाई? जब स्क्वायर रूट में होगा तभी तो डिनोमिनेटर फ्री होगा. एक्चुअली वी वांट टू फ्री द डिनोमिनेटर फ्रॉम द स्क्वायर रूट. राइट नाउ सी व्हाट इज देयर. According to the structure, you can see 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, it is making the square. So I can write down 1 minus sin theta whole square, no problem. And here you can see 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, a plus b, a minus b. Again and again I am not going to write down the formula, you can write down. So a plus b, a minus b, actually it will be give me 1 minus sin square theta. Why? Because a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square theta. So 1 square it is already 1. So 1 minus sin square theta directly I can write down. From the upper side, 1 minus sin theta is present in the square. So any of the digit which is present in the square, which are making their pair, they will be just free from the square root. So this 1 minus sin theta, that I can take out from the square root. So it will give me 1 minus sin theta only. ये फ्री हो गया स्क्वायर रूट से, वाई बिकॉज इट वाज प्रेजेंटिंग इन द पेयर. राइट नाउ सी व्हाट इज देयर इन द अपॉन दिस 1 minus sin square theta, it could be written cos square theta, because according to the identity we are knowing that, according to the identity what we have, we are knowing that 1 minus sin square theta actually it is equal to cos square theta. Basic formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta could be written 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta को मैंने cos square theta के रूप में रिप्रेजेंट किया. And whenever I am representing this in these terms, so ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये भी बाहर हो जाएगा 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. अब अपन ने क्या लिख दिया, cos theta भी बाहर हो गया स्क्वायर रूट के. राइट नाउ सी, अब इसको मैं सॉल्व करते जाता हूँ. लुक हियर केयरफुली. इस cos theta को दोनों के अपॉन में अलग अलग सेपरेट कर लेते हैं. वी आर सेपरेटिंग दिस cos theta, है ना. देयर आर द टू टर्म्स 1 minus sin theta, so it could be written 1 upon cos theta and minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, and this 1 upon cos theta, what is that? This is the reciprocal of cos. This is sec theta. 1 upon cos theta, it is equal to the sec theta, and sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is what? Tan theta. And right now you have to check what we have to prove. Sec theta minus tan theta, and our result is same, sec theta minus tan theta. So we can write down left hand side, it is equal to the right hand side, and that only we want to prove. So hence proved, in short form HP. Right now see what we have done. Whatever the square root, any kind of the square root function will be given to you. So first you have to rationalize the denominator, that we have done. After rationalizing the denominator, first the denominator it will be free. First the numerator they are making the pair, so it is just out from the square root. And in the denominator one formula is coming into the focus, and always this particular formula will come, 1 a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square. And here according to the 1 it could be written 1 minus sin square theta. Right now you have to come to the identity side. So 1 minus sin square theta, it is representing the another square, that is the cos square theta. So cos square theta, it is also coming out from the square root. And after that separating according to the situation, we have to separate out 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. It is giving me sec theta, it is giving me tan theta, that we have to prove. Okay, right now we have to solve the last question, last but not the least. See here, what is the last question? See, tan alpha plus tan beta upon, again I am taking the left hand side. Look here, we have to start from here actually. Solution number 4, left hand side. What is there? Tan alpha plus tan beta. Directly I am going to solve. Tan alpha, जब भी आपको tan alpha और tan beta के रूप में और cot के रूप में दिया हो, and here tan alpha into tan beta we have to prove. So nothing. What is the logic here? Actually all the formulas are in terms of the sin theta and cos theta. So we have to represent in form of sin and cos. So tan alpha को हम लोग sin alpha upon cos alpha लिखेंगे, इसको sin upon cos के रूप में ले आएंगे. And this is the sign. This particular sign it is known as alpha. This particular sign it is known as beta. Okay, no problem. These are the mathematical symbols, no problem. Sin alpha upon cos alpha in terms of tan alpha plus tan beta, so no problem. Sin beta upon cos beta. We have to be little faster. Upon cot alpha could be written cos upon sin, so cos alpha upon sin alpha plus cot beta, it could be written cos beta upon sin beta. पहला स्टेप तो हो गया ये. It is little lengthy problem, but you need not to worry. Look here, little faster. Okay, so in this particular situation you have to go from the cross multiplication. So sin alpha into cos beta plus cos alpha into sin beta, cos alpha into sin beta. What is there of the denominator? Cos alpha into cos beta, cos alpha cos beta. This is for the numerator. Right now this is the biggest upon. right now see here also cos multiply, so cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha cos beta sin alpha cos beta upon sin alpha into sin beta sin alpha into sin beta. I think that you are able to understand. Right now see what we have to do, just taking the reciprocal. Again I am going to write down sin alpha, all the things, sin alpha cos beta plus only copy paste cos beta sin alpha upon what, cos alpha cos beta into right now when we are solving the denominator and when with the help of the multiplication sign, so it will be the reciprocal, so sin alpha into sin beta, it is going on the numerator side, and upon same thing cos alpha only copy paste sin beta, need not to use the brain, sin alpha cos beta sin alpha cos beta. And if you are going to check, so these both the terms, these are equal to each other. Again check, sin alpha cos beta is there, sin alpha cos beta is there, plus sign is there, plus sign is there, cos beta sin alpha cos beta sin alpha. Okay, so actually it was cos alpha sin beta, actually it was cos alpha sin beta, थोड़ा सा मैंने wrong लिखा है, cos alpha sin beta, ऊपर और से चेक कर लेना, cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha cos beta, both are equal to each other, so these are going to be cancelled. Right now whatever the things that are going to remain, उसको अपन सेपरेट आउट कर लेते हैं. सो ये sin alpha sin beta, सो sin alpha को मैंने sin alpha लिख दिया और sin beta को अलग लिख दिया into sin beta. अपॉन में जो आ रहा है cos alpha, तो अल्फा को अल्फा के साथ पेयर बना लेते हैं cos alpha और यहाँ पे cos beta. And according to that you can understand that sin alpha upon cos alpha, it is nothing, it is a tan alpha. Same like that, cos sin beta upon cos beta, it is nothing, it is a tan beta. So that only we want to prove tan alpha tan beta, that's why we have got, so it is equal to the right hand side and that is hence proved. So nothing, it was a very easier calculation. Only the thing was that we have to just solve it with the means, first you have to convert into the sine form and cos form, and after that cross multiplication, that we are doing it, and after that cancellation will be there and we have to adjust, we will get the answer. Thank you so much.